morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Students, I hope you all must have studied the new words which we have practiced in our last period. Yes or no? So, today in EVS, again we are going to continue with the same chapter. Okay? That is chapter number 11, People Who Help Us. So, once again, today we will revise what we have studied in our last period. Okay? Then we'll start with the new one. We'll see some more people who help us. Okay? So, shall we start? First, we'll do the revision of what we did in the last period. Okay? See, there are a number of people who help us and work for us. All do different jobs and all are important for us. We can't do everything by ourselves. We need help to carry out our day-to-day activities. Yes or no? We can't do each and everything by ourselves. Yes or no? We need help of others and there are so many people who help us. Let's see some of them. Okay? A plumber fixes and repairs pipes and taps. Now see, whenever our washroom or bathroom or basin tap gets choked or if something happens to the tap or the pipes, we call plumber. So plumber helps us in fixing and repairing the pipes and taps. Okay, let's see some other persons. An electrician fixes and repairs lights and electrical things. Now, we can't handle all electrical things by ourselves. Yes or no? If something get damaged, then we call electrician to repair and fix it. Yes or no? If our house tube light is not working properly, then we call electrician. He comes and repairs the tube light. Yes or no? It's not our job. Yes or no? We can't do each and everything by ourselves. So there are special persons to do all these things. So we call electrician to repair the lights and electrical things. Okay? Now let's see some other person. A nurse look after us when we are sick. See kids, when we are not feeling well and we are hospitalized, along with doctor who take care of us, who gives us medicine, who gives us saline and all, that is nurse. She take cares of us. Yes or no? In hospital there are doctors also and there are nurse also. But doctors can't stay with you for 24/7. They can't stay with you every time. Yes or no? So that's why they appoint a nurse who take care of us when we are sick. Okay? Now let's see some other persons. A policeman look after our safety. Now see, what is the work of policeman? He look after our safety. Whenever something went wrong, some crime happens or some robbery is happening in that area, who gives us safety? Who protect us from thief and all? Police. Whenever something wrong happens and we want to give a complaint, where we go? We go to police station. And over there, who help us? Police. Okay? Now let's see some other persons. See, other than police, nurse and electrician, plumber, one more person is also helpful to us. He is doing very important job. Yes or no? He is a postman. And what is the work of postman? A postman delivers letter. Suppose nowadays we are all having phones, mobile phones, and we are chatting on it. Yes or no? We are using WhatsApp, Facebook. Yes or no? Nowadays we are connected with our friends from every corner of the world. Yes or no? But before mobile phone, we used to write letters. Yes or no? Before mobile phone, what we used to do, now what we use mails also. We use WhatsApp to send messages to each and everyone. But before that, we used to write letters. And who used to post that letters and exchange that letters to us and to our friends? Whose work it was? It was the work of postman. We used to write the letters and we have to post it in the post box. Then postman collects all the letter from the post box and he delivers all the letters to the respected persons. Okay, so how postman help us? He delivers the important letters and important things to the person. Yes or no? Now let's see some other important person who help us. See, early morning, who comes to our house? That is milkman. A milkman delivers milk. Yes or no? In the early morning when you are rushing to go to school, at that time you need some energy drink. Yes or no? And what your mother gives? Milk. And from where that milk comes? That milkman bring milk to your house. Yes or no? Early morning he comes to your house. Nowadays we go and buy packed milk. Yes or no? We go and buy that packed milk packet. Yes or no? But before that, in the early morning, even now also in some villages, early morning milkman is coming to our house and is delivering the milk. Okay, so milkman is also an important person who help us in our daily life. So students, we have seen this, some of the important persons who help us in our daily life. Let's see some more persons who help us in our daily life. Okay, but these people, now we are going to see some more people who are going to help us in our daily life and they achieve some money for their work also. So let's see. See, a carpenter makes and repairs our furniture. See, in our house there are furniture, some kind of furniture might be there, table, chair, TV unit, computer table, so many furnitures are there. Yes or no? So who makes that furniture? Carpenter. Suppose our table is broken, our chair is broken, our house chair is broken, or other TV unit is broken. So who repairs it? Carpenter. Who repairs it? Carpenter. Can we repair it by our own self? No, na? We can't. We can't do all these things. It is the work of carpenter. So, carpenter makes furniture and he repairs furniture. Okay? Now, let's see some other people. Very important person. A farmer grows crops for us to eat. If farmer will not grow crops, then what we will eat? We have to go by ourselves and we have to grow crops. Yes or no? So farmer is also very important person, na? So farmer is very important person. He grow crops for us to eat. Yes or no? So farmer is very important. Okay? Now after farmer, see, farmer grows crops. Farmer grows vegetables and that vegetables comes to greengrocers. Yes or no? And what is the work of greengrocer? How greengrocer help us? A greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. See kids, we can't go to farmer directly and buy fruits and vegetables. So from where we can get fruits and vegetables? We go to greengrocer. Yes or no? We go to greengrocer. The farmer sell fruits and vegetables to greengrocer and the greengrocer sell the fruits and vegetables to us. Yes or no? We can't directly go and buy from the farmer. So we go to greengrocer and greengrocer help us to get this fruits and vegetables. Yes or no? In each area, in each market, there is one greengrocer. Whenever you go to market with your mother, you might have seen there are greengrocers, like someone is selling vegetables, someone is selling fruits. Yes or no? So greengrocer also help us in our daily life. Now, firefighter. A firefighter helps us in case of fire by putting it out. See, other than all these people, the firefighter work is very different and it is very difficult. Suppose in case in some building or in some society or in some house, the fire has got. So we call firefighter. To whom we call? We call firefighter. And firefighter, they comes immediately and they put it out. They put out the fire. Yes or no? We can't manage this crucial situation, this dangerous situation. Can we manage? If the fire is caught, if the fire is big, suppose in the big area the fire has caught, okay? So how can we manage that fire? We can't, na? So that's why we take the help of firefighter. Okay, who help us when in the case of fire, when in the case when the fire is put on, when there is an emergency, who help us when there is fire caught in the area, in some area or in some house, who help us? Firefighter. Okay, now other than firefighter, see kids, we need fruits and vegetables also. And we need some non-veg also to eat. Yes or no? We like to eat non-veg. Are you all eating non-veg? Yes. So, from where we get non-veg? Who sells us? Yes. There is one person and that person is called a butcher. A butcher sells meat. We get fresh meat from butcher. So what is the work of butcher? He cuts the meat and he sells the meat. A person who cuts the meat of a goat is called butcher. What he is called? Butcher. A person who sells meat is called butcher. Okay? He cuts the meat and he sells us. Okay? Now, other than butcher, who help us in our daily life? Yes, this is also very important. He is also a very important person, na? Yes, without this person, you can't study. Who is he? A teacher. A teacher teaches us and help us study. Yes or no? Otherwise, you will be too naughty. Yes or no? So, we have to study something at home. What we are doing nowadays? We are studying online. Yes or no? And to study something new, who help us? Teacher. Yes or no? Teacher teaches us something new. Even our parents teaches us. But in the school, whenever we go to school, who help us to study some new things? When we go to school, who help us? Teacher help us, na? If we are not understanding any maths sum or any question from our textbook or from EVS or some other subject, who help us to solve that query? Teacher help us. Yes or no? So teacher teaches us and help us to study. Yes or no? So teacher is also very important in our day-to-day life. Yes. Now other than teacher, there are some other persons also. Yes or no? Who help us? See, we need a house to stay. Yes? And to build that house, can we build the house by ourselves? No. We need help of some person, na? And that person is called mason. What that person is called? Mason. A mason builds our homes. See, we nowadays we see different kinds of buildings. Yes or no? Different kinds of bungalow types of houses. So who builds us? Who built this for us? We build ourselves? No. Who is that person? That person is called mason. Mason help us. Who help us to build the house? Mason. Who builds? Mason builds our homes. Okay. So mason also help us in our daily life. Daily life means he doesn't build the home every day, but we need a home to stay. And who help us to build the house? Mason. Okay. Now the clothes we wear, the clothes which we wear, who help us to stitch that clothes? Can we stitch the clothes by ourselves? No. Then who help us? Tailor. Yes or no? Your mother goes to tailor, na? If you want to stitch a dress, if suppose boys, if you want to stitch a pant, your father or your mother take you to tailor. Yes or no? So a tailor stitches our clothes. So how the tailor help us? Tailor stitches our clothes. Okay? Now let's see some other person. See, an architect design buildings. Now kids, nowadays we see big malls, big buildings in different designs and in different structure the buildings are. Yes or no? The design of the building is very nice and beautiful. So who did this? Who helped us to design all beautiful building? Who designed this beautiful buildings and malls? It is the work of an architect. The architect designs building. He make the designs of the building and he gives the design to the mason, and then mason builds the building. But who gives the design to the mason? Architect. Who gives? Architect. So in building a house or in building a building, to build a building or to build a house, who help us? First, architect gives the design. Then mason works on that design. Okay. So architect is also important person. Okay. Now kids, I hope we have studied this some of the important people who help us. I hope you all must have understood this. Now based on this, we will solve some question answers. First of all, we'll start with the fill in the blanks. Okay. So fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. Okay. First question. A dash fixes and repairs pipes and taps. I repeat. A dash fixes and repairs pipes and taps. Who fixes and repairs pipes and taps? Think for the answer. Yes, very good. That is plumber. What is the answer? Plumber. Second question. A dash looks after our safety. Who looks after our safety? Yes, very good. Policeman. Who looks after our safety? Policeman. Next question. A dash sells meat. Just now we have seen a dash sells meat. Who sells meat? Let's see. What is the answer? Yes, correct. The answer is butcher. Who sells meat? Butcher. Okay. And dash designs building. Who designs building? Very good. Architect. Who designs building? Architect. Okay. Now students will see some other questions. That is true or false. Okay. First question. A milkman delivers milk. I repeat, a milkman delivers milk. Is the statement true or false? Yes, it's true. A mason makes and repairs our furniture. A mason makes and repairs our furniture. Is the statement true or false? Yes, it's false. What is the work of mason? Mason helps to build our homes. Who helps to repair furniture? Carpenter. It is not the work of mason. Who helps to repair furniture? Carpenter. Yes or no? So this statement is false. Let's see another question. A tailor stitches our shoes. Is the statement true? No. The statement is false. What is the work of tailor? A tailor stitches our clothes. A postman delivers letter. Is the statement true or false? Yes, it is true. What is the work of postman? He delivers letter. Okay. Now let's see some another question. That is, answer the following. What does a plumber do? What does a plumber do? So how you will write the answer? Let's see. Answer. A plumber fixes and repairs pipes and taps. Again I repeat. A plumber fixes and repairs pipes and taps. What does a plumber do? A plumber fixes and repairs pipes and taps. Question number 2. How does a carpenter help us? And what is the answer? A carpenter makes and repairs our furniture. How does a carpenter help us? A carpenter makes and repairs our furniture. Okay. Now next question. How does a farmer help us? How does a farmer help us? Answer is, a farmer grows crops for us to eat. How does a farmer help us? A farmer grows crops for us to eat. I repeat, how does a farmer help us? A farmer grows crops for us to eat. Next question. What do firefighters do? What do firefighters do? Answer. A firefighters help us in case of fire by putting it out. What do firefighters do? A firefighters help us in case of a fire by putting it out. I repeat, what do firefighters do? A firefighters help us in case of a fire by putting it out. Now students, we have seen some fill in the blanks, some true or false and some question answers. A very important thing, that is, you will copy this fill in the blanks, true or false and question answers in your EVS notebook. Okay? In your EVS notebook. Teacher is not going to give another question this time. These are your notes. These are the notes and you will copy this fill in the blanks, true or false and answer the following in your EVS notebook. You will write the heading. On the top you will write the lesson number and lesson name, and after that you will copy all the 4 fill in the blanks, all the 4 true or false and all the 4 question answers which we have discussed now. Okay? These are your notes for this lesson, and you will practice this at your home. We'll see another chapter in next period. Till then, thank you.